How to mirror text in Microsoft Word. Hey guys, this is Lucy. So without any delay, let's get started. So first, you need to go to Insert menu and click on the text box in the text ribbon. Here, you need to click on Simple Text Box and a new text box appears. Here, write your text. And after that, adjust your text a little, just like that. And here, in the Save Format menu, you go to the Word Art Styles and click on the little arrow, which is located in the bottom right of the ribbon, and click on that. So a new window will pop in your right side of your screen, and you need to go to 3D rotation. Here in the X rotation, you need to keep 180 degrees. After that, you need to go to 3D format and go to material and click on the translucent one, powder, and again go to lighting and click on the spatial one. After that, go to fill, click solid fill, and in outline choose no line. So that's how you mirror a text in Microsoft Word. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorial videos like this. Meet you guys in the next video.